What's up, you guys? So today we're installing our heat demo, which is going to be sold on our website, and it's probably the most exciting add-on that we've had here at the shop for a long time. I've always had like an idea of kind of having one of these that really give the customer a better experience when they're purchasing film, and it makes it so much easier to upsell your more expensive products. So I don't know if we have a video of our old one, if you got one, but the size comparison, it'll fit in a very small space. It's tall, but it's like enough for a human to get inside and feel the entire rotation. It rotates around its axis. So if you guys see, this is gonna be an instructional video as well. There will be an instructional video on how to install it. We're gonna put this together as best as possible and show you guys how we construct this thing and make you guys a ton of money this year. If you guys are interested in buying it, check it out, rpwindowfilms.com. It's gonna be on our POS sales stuff. So yeah, Jared, go get it. So this was the size of the last one that we installed. It's been here for almost 6 years, 7 years. Did a great job, but there's a much better solution. And look how big it is. It's hard to, there's a lot of screws, hard to assemble, takes up a lot of space, so no longer needed. All right, guys, so here I am inside the heat demo. It is all done, and we have quite the presentation for you guys now. This is also a product available on our website, but we want to make sure to show you guys what it looks like to get it delivered, to install it, and to have it all done. So let me walk you guys through the whole process. So on the left here, and you're not gonna be able to see me anymore. So for example, I'm gonna have you see me here. So you have the customer stand here, there's bulbs up top and there's bulbs in front. You show them, okay, here is no tint. Then you have them go to the right. This is a dye window film, still warm. This is a carbon window film. This is a ceramic window film. A ceramic plus window film. And here's our ceramic plus windshield tint. This is a great product if you're looking to increase sales. And these are available for delivery here in the United States now. So if you guys are interested in picking one up, click the link below. I'll have a link below. Thank you guys for watching.